Dead silence.
Good?
Yeah.
Go.
I currently ride a 150R from 2008. It is a really fun bike. I've been riding it for about 5 years now, but with 5 years, makes it a little bit small. This is one of my favorite places to ride as of recently, mainly because of the super predictable terrain. It varies from hard pack to what you're seeing a little bit of right now, which is a little bit of a softer soil, and then it'll transition into some pretty rocky stuff right here, which then made me, yes, forced me to pick a line. That way we could ride for the rest of the day, considering it was around 9:30 a.m. at this time. We had just started riding about 2.5 hours earlier. Overall, Guido picked out a great trail, and you're going to see exactly why, and I think you're going to love it too. I plan on getting a 250R soon. If plans work out, I'll have it within about 2 weeks, maybe, at the very latest. Hopefully, if things work out. If they don't work out, then it won't happen. But if it is the case, then you will see those videos coming out in the next few months. As I have said, this is video 2 of 7, so you do have 5 more weeks of videos from this day. I do love flooring it through here. The bikes sound so good. Honda makes a great motorcycle, and nobody can deny that. While filming these videos, we decided to go as fast as we can while controlling our speed because we really wanted to make these videos the best that we could for you guys, ensuring that we had fun while we were at it. However, we can't keep up such speeds for 7 hours like we did on this day all the time. It was a lot of fun, but the problem is we decided to hit a wash going 4th gear and pinned, which was a little bit scary. Almost endoed on that, so it was kind of like this, but a lot narrower and a lot deeper, shorter, and a lot worse for transition. But you gotta love that 4-stroke pinned. The 150 and the 250 sound pretty much the same. The 150 just a little bit different, very little. This part is both of our favorite parts. He said that this is the reason that he rides this trail is because of that canyon. And I really do wish that it lasted longer because that is a very cool canyon and you don't see it all the time. It's always fun to ride on a little bit of off camber right next to a spot where if you mess up, it's going to take a while to get the bike out of the ditch. As we're going through here, we're going to start seeing a different type of ground, and that is going to be sand. It is a lot of fun to ride if you know how to ride it. My advice, lean back and pin it. Oh yeah, and don't go off the trail like I'm almost due here. This day turned out to be a lot of fun, and the reason for that was mainly because of how cold it was during the morning. It started out at 7 o'clock in the morning at around 60 degrees, and we rode all the way up until 2:30, and it was very nice all the way up until 12 when it started hitting temperatures of 90 to 95 degrees, and as you can imagine, we went through a lot of water after that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you stop by Wyoming if you get the chance. It's a lovely place to ride.